Got him?
Got him already.
Sweet.
Just started recording too.
Alright guys, so me and Jake moved 20 yards from where we were. I threw out the lipless crank. First cast, caught my first fish. We're probably gonna work the whole lake today, pond, whatever you call it.
I'd say it's a lake.
It was right here, Jake, right in front of me. My pole just went this way, and when I went to set the hook, I must have pulled it out or something. Got him.
Got another one. Hey, dude.
We'll take them all day.
Hell yeah. All right, guys. Seth just got his next fish. Seth is slaying them. Good fish. There he goes. Pretty. He was actually really pretty in that water.
Real green.
All right, guys. Well, Seth. Wait a minute. Let me zoom out here. Seth, I just caught this one. Seth had just one hook on to him right here at the bank. You can see the dust cloud.
Yep.
And yeah, wow. A couple nice fish. More and more we go down, it seems like better quality of fish. You got me good, dude. 'Cause that fucking hurts. They like that little thing, don't they?
Yeah.
75 cents, dude.
75 cents produce some of the best lures, man.
Hey.
Ain't gotta be no $10 item every
Nope.
time. There you go. He hit it on the stop too.
Did he?
Yeah.
That might be what they're hitting. How they're hitting. Good fish, dude. Another little nice guy.
There you go, guys. Lipless crankbaits.
This could be our lake action.
Yep.
Where'd you catch him out of the pocket?
Right on the edge of it.
Okay. And they might just be staging there. Wow. Okay, you got another one. Good job, dude. They're just staging there. You are out. Oh. Well, guys, you've seen it.
Quick release, guys.
Oh, dude. Good job.
Look, they're now on this. Look at the head of it already.
Yep, that's what my blue one looked like after we were done. That's the same brand and everything. I found it at the...
Yeah, I haven't cast in his cove yet.
They're just staging off.
There's one.
Actually, a nicer one.
Yeah, that is.
Dude, he looked bigger in the water.
He looked monstrous in the water. Well, guys, Jake just had a nice one on, sitting in the cove.
He was, that wasn't too bad.
Like you said, he looked a monster.
Yeah, he looked like a 3-pounder.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I was gonna show you guys my hand. Wait until he stops flopping around. There he goes. I'm actually gonna need the pliers for this fish. Well, maybe not. Another little guy there, guys. Get him back in the water. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. There's another one, dude. Back to back to back, dude.
Nice one too.
Yep, it's a nice one. Well, guys, 3 times in a row we came here, 3 back to back to back casts. 2 times by me and 1 by him. That is crazy. Never in a million years would I would have thought that we would have gotten 3 times back to back to back casts. Never. All right, guys, Seth, we just doubled up on some nice fish. I caught a chunk here. We're gonna put on his back. There you go.
You can't see us, but
Yeah, probably not.
yeah.
But it's okay. Good job, dude.
Nice fish.
Let's get him back in the water. 3, 2, 1.
You're a good, nice fish, man. That was
a nice one.
about 16, 17. It's gonna be silver by the end.
All right, guys. So we went to Walmart yesterday. We were gonna come here yesterday, but we decided to go fish the Yauk and all that, and we got skunked. But he picked this up, and it's 75 cents in Walmart aisle, and I got a couple of them too. And look how that head's just completely beat up. Good job, dude. I'm using a Strike King. I don't even know what the brand of yours even is, but we're smacking them. All right, guys, got another one. Ripped it right out of the grass, came up and smacked it. Just had back to back to back, guys, again. And I lost the second one, but this is a nice little chunker off the Lipless crank. They're just sitting, I think they're just sitting out in the middle near that grass right now. And we're just scrubbing along. All right, guys, Seth hooked into another nice bass. They are so pretty and emerald green here. It's like really emerald-like, but it's a chunk.
Can't get this hook out.
Want the pliers?
Yes.
Oh, you got it right out right after you said that. Nice.
Not bad.
Hang on, let me zoom out of here. Okay.
They're schooled up down here too, guys. I see them everywhere.
Yeah. All right, dude, go ahead. Well, we doubled up and I couldn't get mine on. There's these jackasses down here trying to get in front of us, and we said, nope, we're coming down to this cove before they do. Dude, that's another nice fish. Look at the tails, they're spawning still.
Yep. That's a nicer
That's a
fish
nice
out of
one,
here,
dude. Yeah. Good job, buddy. Let the release. Good job. Chunks, dude. Pound and a half.
I can tell by the mouse too, man.
Good fish,
We're getting
dude.
bigger, guys.
Good fish, dude. Let me zoom in on that. Good job, buddy. You're slaying them today, dude. Guys, 5-pounder, man. 5-pounder. Look how big that fish is, man.
Look at the mouth.
Look at me shaking so. Dude, that's a 5-pounder. Easy.
Definitely.
Easy 5-pounder. Let's get it back in the water. I caught him. Show you guys what I did for that fish. Oh my God. Let's go, man.
Nice catch, man. That's what we've been targeting, guys, in here. All we've been catching is 12, 15 inch, the occasional 16.
Dude.
Check this out, guys. Show that again, Jay. This is what happens when you get excited, man. The boot is done, but he's a happy man.
Guys, all we're doing with this lipless crankbait is just bringing it in, giving it a couple of pops, stopping it. I just got hit right there.
I saw it.
And just throw it out, let it go. I actually let it sit there for a little bit, and then I crank it a couple times, and then I'll just just give it a steady retrieve, and then anywhere where I think I can get an initial reaction strike, I'll just crank it. I crank it as hard as I can. It'll give it that zzz in their lateral line, and they'll feel it, and that's when they want to attack. Now, this is what they mean by Strike King hooks are garbage. That's exactly what they mean, but they can also pierce your skin.